Is your Facebook account disabled? If yes, the video for today is going to be very interesting because I'm going to reveal a trick that has helped a lot of people to get their Facebook accounts back or get access to their Facebook accounts. What are the chances that your account would be reinstated after you appeal using this trick? Can you create a new account? These type of questions and many more are going to be answered in the video for today. So I want you to watch my video completely till the end. So account bans is not just with Facebook. It's happening with many other social media platforms simply because of the fact that most social media websites have started using AI in their systems, and the algorithm, even if it detects a small thing on your account, if they have a suspicion, they just go ahead and ban your account. And there's nothing else that you could do apart from appealing to them. So the first thing is, what I would suggest is, if you want to go ahead and unban your Facebook account, if you are a person who hasn't done anything wrong, you're just using Facebook or Messenger the proper way to communicate with your mom or dad, your friend and family members, just log into the application and see if you get the appeal option, or you get a link to click on, and then you could fill up the appeal form and send it to them. If that is not working for a week, they don't respond, or a month or two, then you go ahead and use this appeal procedure, which should work for you. Go ahead and get hold of a laptop, or you could also do it on an Android or Apple device, not a problem. You open the Chrome browser and do a Google search for Google Play. Once you do that, get to Google Play, the website, and then do a search for Facebook. Click on Facebook, get to the official page for Facebook on Google Play, and under app support, click on the arrow down button. You get an email address out here. Emails to this email address most probably would be going to the development team for the Facebook application at Facebook or Meta. All right. So send these guys an email. They are not the correct team. They're going to forward your email to the correct team. Just wait for a response. In most cases, these guys only would go ahead and try and help you. So they are going to ask you or tell you what the reason was for your account getting banned and all these things. Start communicating with the rep that is communicating with you from this specific team. So use this email address if you're not getting any other option. So you could copy this email address and paste it in an email out here. You could put in the subject line as "My Facebook account was disabled for no reason," and then put in a message like this: "Hi team, this is to let you know that my Facebook account was disabled for no reason." Put in your Facebook email, your Facebook ID. Then, "I got a communication from Facebook telling me that it was disabled due to spam or whatever, but I have not posted anything that goes against your policies. Please could you look into the issue and help me get access to my account again? I will ensure following Facebook's terms and conditions properly next time. Awaiting a swift response. Regards, your name." That's it, and send these guys an email. Now, after you send an email, just wait for like 2 or 3 days. You should get a response from these guys. If you get a positive response, your account is unbanned and you get access to your account again, well and good. But if you get a response telling you that your account cannot be enabled anymore, you cannot use Facebook anymore, then I suggest you send an email to these guys: android-support@facebook.com. Okay, so this is the last resort for you. All right, don't send one email to both these two email addresses at a time. Okay, you should keep this as a last resort. Okay, send the same email, just change the email address and send the same email to these guys, right? And you should get a response from them. Now, if you haven't done anything wrong, chances are that your Facebook account is going to get reinstated again. But if you are a person who is into spamming, scamming, you have done, ridiculous things using your Facebook account, then don't expect to get access to your Facebook account again. Because I have received some weird emails from people who are asking me to unban their Facebook accounts because of some strange reason, and that is actually against Facebook policies. Okay, so just ensure that you are clean. Just ensure that you've been using Facebook the proper way, and then you could expect to get access to your account again. And there is a difference between your account getting suspended and disabled. When your account is suspended, it is suspended for a time period. You could easily unsuspend or reinstate your account. You could watch this video of mine to understand how you could get your Facebook account unsuspended if it is just suspended. But if it is disabled, this procedure is going to help you unban your account if it is possible. All right. And if you are a person who's thinking that I'll just go ahead and create a new Facebook profile or account. Not happening, my friend. If these guys get to know that you are having a new account on Facebook, they're going to ban it. No matter where you are, if you are in India today, tomorrow you go to the UK and you think you're going to buy a device out there and create a new profile, they're going to detect that also. Because at the end of the day, what you're going to post is pictures of yourself and stuffs of yourself. So they're going to detect that. Take care, my friend.